In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a channel in Slack. Whether you're the channel owner or an admin, occasionally there might be a need to kick someone out of a Slack channel. It might be to streamline conversations, manage group dynamics, or perhaps someone has left your team. Whatever your reasons, this step-by-step guide will make the process clear and straightforward. First things first, let's navigate to Slack. You'll want to open the Slack application on your desktop or go to the Slack website and log into your workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, your workspace will give you an overview of all the activity within Slack, including all your direct messages and channels. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, which displays all your Slack channels. Click on Channels to get a list of all the channels you are part of. This list will include every channel you have joined, both public and private, where you can communicate with your team. Now find and select the channel from which you wish to remove a user. You should see the channel name listed among the others in your channels list. Once you've located the correct channel, click on it to open it. You'll now see the entire conversation history and current members of this channel. Once inside the channel, look towards the top of the screen where your channel name is displayed. Click on the channel name to view more details about the channel. When you do this, a sidebar should appear on the right-hand side. This gives you a detailed overview of the channel, revealing information like channel purpose, details, and members. In this sidebar, focus on the members section. Here, Slack lists every individual currently part of the channel. Click on members to get a full view of everyone involved. This allows you to carefully verify the user you intend to remove, ensuring you're managing the right person. Locate the three vertical dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, next to the member's name. This is Slack's way of consolidating additional options without overcrowding the interface. By clicking on these three dots, it opens up other administrative options for that specific user. An option should appear labeled Remove from Channel. Click on this to initiate the removal process for the user from your Slack channel. You're almost done. Finally, to confirm your choice, simply click on Remove. Be mindful that once you confirm this action, the user will no longer be able to access the channel, and they won't receive new messages from it. This step ensures you maintain control over channel membership, keeping discussions relevant to those who need to be there. And there you have it, your guide to efficiently removing a user from a Slack channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional assistance with Slack.